Fly Babies, it's me, Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday, and I'm here to talk to both payroll and at-home Fly Babies. So what are we doing? Well, the first thing we're doing is we're getting up in the morning, we're doing our morning routine. Once that's complete, we're going to walk our children through their morning routine. Once that's complete, you can go to work or start your day at home. So if you're a payroll Fly Baby and you go to work, don't forget to get some coffee, get some water, say hello to your friends. Don't spend too much time doing that. Get to your desk, open your control journal for work, and follow through. See what you're doing today. It's the end of the week. Let's wrap it up. What have you done well? What could you do better next week? What is on the agenda for next week or next month even? So that's what you're going to do. Now you're going to have a couple of breaks today and you're going to have a lunch hour. So let's pop over and look at the at-home Fly Babies and see what they're doing and what you can incorporate into your day to make it easier for you this weekend. Okay, hello Fly Babies at home. So we're doing our laundry and we're doing our paper routine while the laundry is washing itself in the machine. 1 inch, remember, and we're just going to sort. We're not going to handle. We're just making our sorting so that our things that we need to handle later and possibly file go into our inbox. Out of this much every day, you're not going to get very much to do. So on Wednesday, when you do handle your inbox, it's going to be an easy job. Okay, don't forget to throw away, shred, or whatever, and get those things out of the house. And then put your laundry in the dryer. Once it's dry, don't forget to fold it or hang it up and put it away, because until that happens, you haven't done the laundry. Okay, now today is Friday, so it is car and purse day. So let's do this real quick. Grab a bag, go into the car, and take out the shoes, the pacifiers, the socks, the empty cups, whatever things are in there that don't belong. Put them in the bag, take them in the house, throw the trash away, and put everything else where it goes, right? Let's empty your purse out and put everything that belongs in your purse in its place, everything else in the trash, or rehome it in the home. That's it. Now, what else do we have to do today? Well, we are in the final day of our master bedroom. So if you have a master bedroom, a master closet, and a master bathroom, you can do something in one of each of, or in one of those 3 rooms. Or you could do well, it's just one thing today. Now, unless you're decluttering. Decluttering takes 15 full minutes. Otherwise, you're just going to do one deep clean thing that could take 5 minutes, could take 2 minutes, could take 10 minutes, could take 15 minutes, but one thing, okay? All right, let me pop back over to the Fly Babies at work and let's see how we can incorporate what you're doing today into their day, and then we'll get back together. Okay, payroll Fly Babies. So what you're going to do on your lunch hour, you're going to pop out to your car with your couple of bags that you keep in your drawer and at work, and you're going to empty out the trash if there is any. You know, if you've been doing this for a while, there may not be anything. You may just want to shake the front mats, and that's it. But if you have trash, let's get it out and throw it away. Anything else, bag it up. Leave it on the front seat so you don't forget to bring it in tonight when you get home. And then go and dig through your purse, get off the trash, throw that away. Take another bag, anything that needs to be rehomed, put that in the bag and stick the bag down in your purse so when you get home today you can pull that out. So that's 2 less things that you have to do this weekend. Isn't that great? All right. Okay, and then when you get home from work, don't forget to start your laundry. While that's going, you can go through the mail or whatever paper, 1 inch if you have paper clutter, and see why you're creating more paper clutter. If you are staying on top of this and sorting your mail every day, and if you are being careful with what the children bring home from school, you won't be creating more paper clutter. The whole deal behind this is to make sure we don't create more clutter. Because if you create more clutter, you're constantly going to be decluttering, and that's no way to live. Let's get rid of it. Let's handle it up front, okay? All right, now while supper is simmering, you can go take a look at your bedroom. Is there something you can do in there real quick, maybe for 5 minutes? Grab a little something and get it done? Otherwise, there will be some things you will have to do on the weekend. All right, that's it. Have a fabulous day, both at-home Fly Babies and payroll Fly Babies. Don't forget, after supper, that's a family affair. Everyone helps clean up after dinner, and then we have our before bed routines. I think you are beautiful. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.